it wrapped?
It's wrapped in candy striped rag with a number 7 holly green bow.
A number 7 bow? When we're this close to liftoff, what are they thinking down there? Are they Meshuggah? What's the routing?
Going to the States. Grand Rapids, Michigan.
That's my town. I'm from Grand Rapids.
We got a troublemaker now. Just what we need. Things aren't paying enough. What's his 20?
Apparently, some kid from Maplewood, New Jersey stuck some gum in his sister's hair.
New Jersey? Is that the same kid that put the tech underneath his teacher's tail last year?
No, sir. This kid's name is Steven.
Steven.
So, what do we do, Chief? Like the big man? We talking nothing for Christmas here?
Look, it's almost Christmas, huh? We'll cut the kid a break. But you put him on a check twice list for next year. All right, boys. Let's shut it down, all right? This is for this year. Come on.
Hey, boss, are we taking the pneumatic?
Of course we're taking the pneumatic. It's the only way to get to the square on time. Let's go. And time is money. Ready and mount. Good. Close.
All right, get in. I don't know about this. I don't hear it. Do you?
No.
I think we should follow those arrows. I thought there'd be a way out. We're gonna miss everything. Hey, look! A present! It's going to my town! There's someone named Billy!
My name is Billy.
It's going to 11344 Edbrook Avenue.
That's my address.
Come on!